Okay, so I hope y'all guys like a little part at the beginning, you know, a little fun, a little sneaky sneaks. I want to show you guys, you know how I do. Anyways, so as you can see, this is my character. Her name is Little Mousy, as I already mentioned already. In this video, you will see the complete look of Little Mousy. So if you have not seen part 1, part 2, you might want to go check it out. If you want to see the complete design of Little Mousy, you can start with part 1 and part 2. This is part 3, just showing you guys like the complete drawing of her. So she is done. Now, as you can see, Little Mousy went through so many different changes. It's because I wanted to make sure that she was, you know, she didn't look like I want her to look. At the beginning, you know, she was a sketch, then she was a drawing, then she's now on digital. And then after that, she's an animation. But as you can see, I had to get her face to how I want it to look. I know she is very, very small, but I still wanted to make sure that if anybody see her close up, you will know that she's in a costume, you know? So, she is a creature. She's a human / creature from Candyland. Candy is one of my other characters I have made, and I got a lot of characters on my channel, so you might want to go check it out. I might see a name that you don't know. All my characters that I have made so far are on my channel, so you can go check them out if you want to or not. I will leave all those videos in my description down below. So back to Little Mousy. Now, as you can see, Little Mousy is completely done. There's nothing else I want to add to Little Mousy at all. I am happy how she looks. There may be some little things I may tweak here and there, but that's about it. Even though she is a small character and her friends are, you will still see her like this, because when she's in her, you know, when it's all about her in an animation, you will see her a little bit better than you usually see her when she's far away. You will see, if you don't know how she actually looks as in small, you can go check out my animations. I will put 1 or 2 in the description down below. You can go check out. You will see how she actually looks when she's small. But if the animation is about her and her friends, and it's like mainly like about them, you will see them really close up, so they won't be like too far away that you won't see. Now, it depends on what I'm actually trying to show you in that animation. So yeah, so let's get into the next character. As you can see, he has a different costume on. Yes, they do not have the same costume. Little Mousy is Little Mousy, okay? There's no other Mousy but her. Now, she might have some family members coming here and there that maybe not, I don't know, but this is a different character, which is her best friend. You would think her best friend would be a mouse too, right? But nah, I want to change it up a little bit. So her best friend is a boy, and he dressed in a bear costume. Now, he's not just any regular bear, but I will let you know what kind of bear costume he have on. I don't want to tell you guys that right now, because you'll get it, you'll understand it. I will actually show you what bear he actually, you know, the costume that he's wearing, okay? And as you can see, you're looking at his shoes now. Yes. Every one of them have sneakers on, because you know I want to give all my characters now. I want to give them sneakers because you know I love to wear sneakers, so I wanted my characters to wear sneakers too. Yes, they are different colors. These colors are their favorite colors. So whatever color that you see my characters wearing, like their shoes and also their shirts, that's their favorite color. So yes, this is his favorite color. You already seen Little Mousy's favorite color. Now you see his. As you can see, that's Little Mousy right here. And over here is her best friend that's in the bear costume. And his name right now is Bear Dude. I know. It just I don't know. I could not think of a name for him right now when I was drawing him. I was like, I cannot think of nothing else. So he's going to be Bear Dude. So guys, meet Bear Dude. I know. That's his name right now. And it might change. But right now, that's his name. As you can see, he is different. The costume that he has on, I wanted to make sure if he was going to be a bear, he has to be a bear that I actually really, really like a lot. So, it was one of these bears that I used to love so much when I was little. And fun fact, if you don't know this or not, and you probably don't know because I don't think I told you guys that. So, my favorite character when I was younger was Winnie the Pooh. I wanted my character to have the honey bear, you know, look as well, but I didn't want to, you know, take anything away from, you know, Winnie the Pooh, because I didn't want to do that. It's not what I do. I wanted to make my own look of a honey bear. So I went online to look and see how a honey bear will look. Now, let me tell you something. When I first looked at the honey bear, I was like, okay, it's different, you know? So it's giving me that cuteness and that weirdness at the same time, but it's still cute to me, you know? And even though I had seen a honey bear before, I just like haven't seen it recently, and I kind of forgot how it actually looked until I looked at it again. I was like, okay, cute, but weird at the same time, you know? But yes, this is Bear Dude, and his name may change, but it may stay the same. Okay? So I was going to show you guys another character, but I decided not to show my other characters right now. I'm holding on to those characters until I've actually got a whole video out showing you from start to finish, maybe, of their character design. But I decided not to because you'll understand it a little bit more if you go check out my animation channel, because all the characters I'm making for this project that I'm working on right now will be on that channel. Like, you will see them come to life, you will get their personalities and all that. This channel is more behind the scenes type of videos. Yes, I know, behind the scenes. So like I said before, I might show you guys that in another video, but not this video, because I don't want to make it too long. And plus, I feel like that's enough, you know? That's enough. You get to see my, this character right now. He's not completely done, but he is 95% done. And the next time you will see him on my animation channel. That's if you subscribe to that channel or not. That's really up to you. But if you want to see more of Bear Dude and Little Mousy, you can check them out on my animation channel. Now, as you can see, he has almost the same little, splashes on him like Little Mousy does. Only difference is his is white and hers is brown. And even though he has on a honey bear costume, he doesn't like honey. He loves chocolate, just like Little Mousy. You might say that's how they became best friends, but we'll never know. So even though him and Little Mousy are best friends, he's sweet, he's kind, just like Little Mousy. That's about it when it comes to that. And he loves chocolate. Let's not forget about that. But he is very shy, he's very scary, and he don't like to get in trouble at all. But he's always there to help Little Mousy out when she's doing something that she has no business doing. He's always there to help her to do better. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And if you want to go see more videos of me, I'll put it right here so you can go check this video out. You might like it. And guys, I pray that you all have an amazing day. Stay blessed. Bye.